Congress passed a last-minute deal to extend the authority of the National Flood Insurance Program at 2023 levels through November 17th. The NFIP's authority to write flood insurance has been extended 25 times since 2017. It's Friday, October 6th, 2023, and this is your Annapolis Real Estate Report. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. As your local real estate expert, I bring market updates every Friday so you stay in the know. Be sure to subscribe and let me know what you want to know. Interesting to note that just 1 inch of flooding can cause $25,000 in structural damage. With the recent flood headlines across America, Annapolis is no stranger to the rising waters. Last week saw downtown roads closed again due to waters too high for vehicles to cross. The increase in weather-related impact continues to grow and will affect coastal areas like Annapolis. According to University of Pennsylvania climate scientist Michael Mann, he says flooding is worse than a new normal. I call it a new abnormal. Annapolis inventory is up again this week to 155 homes for sale, and more than half of those probably fall in a flood zone, and even more are at risk due to rising tides. Only 14 homes are coming to the market, falling further this week. 36 homes hit the market over the past week, 10 went under contract, 3 moved to pending, 16 homes sold over the past week, remaining strong at 100% list to sold ratio and in 6 days to contract. The highest priced home to sell over the past week was again in Eastport for $1,225,000. Rentals in Annapolis rose again this week to 38 for rent at a median $3,038 per month, and leasing in just 16 median days. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, October 6th, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you next week.